Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys display and brightness setting. So in this video guys, first of all guys we will talk about screen timeout setting. How can we use this setting, and guys how can we change our screen timeout in our Tecno phone. Guys you want to change guys your screen timeout, so guys you can change. And guys now let's see how to change. So first of all guys we will have to on our phone setting to change it. So guys we will on it. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys we will tap here to change it. Then guys you can see guys your screen timeout. So guys tap here to change. So friends, you can see guys your screen timeout. You want to change into 15, 13, 1 minute second. So as I example for us, I will take this 15 second. So as you can see guys, your screen timeout has changed. And guys wait for 15 seconds, then guys your phone screen will off automatically. Guys suppose guys your phone screen is on, and after 15 seconds guys you can see your phone screen will off guys. You can see guys. So like that guys, you can change your screen timeout in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.